So what is it about juice fasting? This 3-day juice fasting is nothing but a type of detox diet where we just consume only raw fruits and vegetable juices for 3 days and we are not eating any solid food. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidya Dinesh. Today in this video I would like to share the 3-day juice fast which I tried and their amazing results and benefits. Okay, before I go in depth about how I did it, where, when and why I did it, I would just like to show my weight. So before the juice fast, so you can see here I weighed around 54 kg. So watch till the end of the video to see the amazing result. So mainly I did this juice fasting to give my body the time to heal and recharge. So what happens when you consume food continuously? Your digestive system goes on working to digest the food and then again you consume, it digests the food. So the process goes on. So I thought why not just consume these juices and give my digestive system a break, and so that my body gets a time to heal. And when you're doing this 3-day juice fasting, just keep few things in mind. So first thing is try to take it in a non-busy day. So like when you're not busy and you have a free time, please do it then, because there are symptoms where you get tired, feel fatigue and feel dizziness also. So I had a slight headache when I started this juice fast. On the first day I had a severe headache. The second day was better, but the third day I definitely felt very energetic. So it's better to start off on a free day. And if you have any medical conditions like diabetes or kidney problem or weak immune system, please consult your doctor before consuming this juice fasting. And children below 10 years and adults above 55 years, we suggest not to take this juice fasting. Okay, before we start our juice diet, we need to follow certain rules to completely detox our body and gain that benefit. So first we need to strain our juice, we need to remove the fiber. Why we need to do this? Again, our digestive system needs rest, right? So when we consume fiber, what happens? Again, our digestive system will start working and it won't get the time to rest and heal our body. So second is, do not add any water to your juice, as already the vegetables and fruits will have enough water to keep you hydrated the whole day. And do not drink any water in between. And if you really feel very thirsty, you can just take 2 to 3 sips of water. And one more point is, eat your juice. So don't just gulp your juice, take sip by sip, goggle them for few minutes and then swallow it. And the previous day, try to eat a very light meal, especially in the night. Have just a soup or salad so that your digestive system gets ready to heal your body. Okay friends, I started my fasting on the first day with Ashgard juice, and I have used around 250 to 300 grams. So you can increase the quantity accordingly. Since it has lot of health benefits, it's said to be one of the best detoxing juice, and it is also called the king of all juices. And I take this juice every day to detox my body. So strain the juice, as I said, we need to remove the fiber and drink. I'm taking this juice around 9 o'clock. So I started my day with a great juice. Okay, so my next juice, second juice of the day, I'm adding carrot, beetroot, tomato, apple and little ginger, and at the end I'm just squeezing little lemon juice and taking it. If you don't like the tangy taste, you can exclude the lemon juice. Since beetroot and carrot have many medicinal properties, especially they cleanse our kidney as well as purify our blood, it is a great idea to include these vegetables in our detox diet. I've used tomato too in this diet because it is a natural stimulant for kidneys, and it also helps in removing the toxins which usually causes diseases and contaminate our system. And all of us know the benefit of apple, and as the old saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, which is very much true till date. And these 3 days in our juice, we won't be adding any sugar, salt and spices except for ginger, which actually helps in digestion. And another point, do leave around 1.5 to 2 hours gap in between two juices. So I took this juice around 12:30. Wow, the color of the juice looks great. I took this quantity because this is really filling. So my next juice is green juice, so that's why I've included everything in green, like green apple, amla, cucumber, spinach, curry leaves, and I've added again ginger and little lemon juice. I took this juice around 3:30 as I was not feeling very hungry. In case if you feel hungry, you can always take this little earlier, but see to that you're leaving around 1.5 to 2 hours gap in between the juices. Since both amla and palak have high iron content, it is said to be the best for anemic people. So people with less hemoglobin, it's a great idea to include palak and amla every day in your diet. Wow, as you can see, we are getting a great green colored juice. It's so soothing for our eyes. From morning we have been having great colors like white, red and green now. Wow. As I said earlier, take a sip of your juice and nicely goggle it in your mouth for 1 to 2 minutes and then swallow it. So next is the last juice of the day for me, that is coconut water. You can include either ashgard juice or the green juice or coconut water if you feel hungry. So I completed my first day of juice fasting successfully. So next day, that is second day, my first juice is ashgard, curry leaves and amla. I've included curry leaves and amla today and I've been using this since a month to improve my hair growth. So let's see. And since I had to go out for some urgent work today, so I increased my quantity of juice. So you can see I'm drinking around 250 to 300 ml of juice today. And for 3 days, please remember, I keep stressing on this, strain your juice and drink, and always squeeze the juice for some time in your mouth, say 1 or 2 minutes, and then swallow it. So my second juice for the second day was coconut water. Since I was out, I took this. If you're at home, please include the second juice which we added yesterday. And I since took this coconut water little late, around 1:30. So I added my third juice around 5 o'clock. So please include juice in between if you feel hungry. You can add in the second or the third juice the previous day. So here I've included both the second and third day juice, combined both the juices of yesterday here. But I've excluded amla since we use that amla in the morning, and I've included beans and sweet potato. And as you all know, beans is rich in fiber and it is a great vegetable to be included in weight loss, especially when it is taken raw. And people usually who want to cut down body fat and increase lean muscle mass should definitely include sweet potato in your diet. And wow, we can see a beautiful green color juice, but as soon as we add in little beetroot, it turns out to be a nice red color. These beautiful color juices not only soothes our eyes, it's also very beneficial for our body. So as I said, I was really full with this juice. So if you feel hungry, please include either coconut water, ashgard juice, or you can repeat this juice. And with this, I complete second day successfully. So the third day, my last day of juice fasting, I'm starting again with ashgard and amla juice. Since I didn't have curry leaves today, I didn't include them. If you have, please do include in your juice today. If you find amla very bitter, you can either exclude them or reduce the quantity. I'd like to share this. On the first day, I had a slight headache and I was feeling little tired, but when I just did little meditation and took a shower immediately, I was feeling all energetic. But second day, I was really feeling very energetic and did around 30 to 40 minutes of workout. And since today is Sunday, so I didn't want to work out and I'm giving a rest to my body. So after this juice, I'll be just going for a lazy walk. So my second juice for the last day, third day, I'll be taking tomato, apple, cucumber, carrot, coriander leaves, ginger and little lemon juice. And as most of us know, corianders are used mostly in Indian cuisines for garnishing, as it adds some great flavor to the dish. But actually it also helps in improving our digestion throughout the day, and also it boosts metabolism. And all these colorful juices need not be included just in your fasting. You can also include them in your daily diet, but do not strain the juice, as we need fiber in our regular diet. And I would also like to share one more thing. When you feel really hungry in these 3 days, just you can drink a sip of warm water, or you can just go sit for meditation or divert your mind by watching some favorite movie or so that way you can avoid being hungry or eat something in between. Actually, it was not that easy when I did it for the first time. The first 2 days, yes, I did struggle, but when I did it for the second and this is the third time, I'm really feeling good and feeling a lot of changes in my body. So don't think you're punishing your body, but actually we are polishing our body here. So the next juice, that is the third juice for third day, I'm taking in a little bottle gourd, pineapple and a handful of mint leaves, and finally little lemon juice. And since water content in bottle gourd is really high, it is said to be one of the most friendly vegetable for weight loss. As I mentioned earlier, I usually take this ash gourd juice every day as my detox juice in the morning. And in case you don't find ash gourd, you can always replace it with bottle gourd juice, which is again a great replacement for detox juice to start off your day with. And I've added in pineapple, which actually helps in digestion, and it is also found to be very refreshing and cooling. And I've added in little mint here to get that nice flavor. So I really love this combination together. And finally I added in some lemon juice because I really love this tangy taste, and I just love this juice. So friends, do try all these juices in your fasting as well as in your regular diet, and let me know how you found it, and do share your experience in the comment section, so that others too get benefited. And friends, do remember, always eat your juice and drink your food, so that the digestion becomes easier and you get all the health benefits. So my last juice of the day, my favorite, coconut water. So after this I'm not taking anything. In case you feel hungry, you can drink either coconut water or ash gourd juice. So guys, I've completed this 3 days juice fasting successfully. Okay, let me check my weight and let you know. So here you can see my weight. It is 52.1. Yes, I've lost almost 2 kgs and I'm feeling really happy. Actually, yes, I didn't lose the body fat. I have lost the water content. But to maintain this weight, I need to have a balanced diet as well as do my regular workout. So on this 4th day, I'll start my day with just a juice with fiber, and then I'll start with some fruits and raw vegetables. Today whole day I won't be taking any grain, so I want to take it slow so that I give my body some time to come back to the normalcy. So you can see me, I feel all energetic, and it's not like I just lost weight. I lost even the waste from my body. I removed the toxins. And I do this juice fast quarterly once, like 3 months once or 4 months once. So you can always do it like 3 months or 4 months once, and I do it like 15 days once. I do it for a day. So never overdo it. Understand your body and do the fasting accordingly. There are different ways of fasting. So sometimes there are few friends of mine who does actually water fasting on Ekadasi, which is also very good. So I do this juice fasting 15 days once to get the benefit and detox my body. Okay friends, do try this detox and let me know how you found it, and please do share with everyone by leaving your feedback in the comment section so that it is useful to many. I will see you in the next video with more such interesting topics and more exercises. Till then, take care, stay healthy, be healthy, and spread the idea of being healthy to everyone. Okay, bye.